It's nice to see you here. I'm seeing a lot of familiar faces, Animal. So, okay. We saw how Angkan started, di ba? Thank you for the video also. But I think it's time to see the product that will move the brand forward. Yung next product namin, to be honest with you, I think almost 2 years in the making, no? Because we wanted it to be really nice. So this product of ours that we're gonna show you is something that represents the brand. This is what Angkan stands for. So this is also our first expression of flavor. So before I move on, I'll show you a video first, okay?
From local kitchens to tables around the world, great flavor begins with one simple truth. Better ingredients make better food. Introducing Angkan Fish Sauce 45N, a premium fish sauce made for home cooks, chefs, and anyone who wants more flavor in every dish. Using only real ingredients. Made with anchovies, sardines, and sea salt. Angkan keeps the recipe simple, so what you taste is the natural richness of fish, salt, and thyme. Naturally fermented for 12 months, it develops a full-bodied umami that brings balance, richness, and a savory taste that makes dishes more flavorful. Its 45N strength means a higher level of natural protein and flavor concentration. In every drop, you get fuller taste and more flavor with less. First press means we take the finest extract from the first release of fermentation. No sugar added, no preservatives, no artificial flavors. Use it for dipping, cooking, marinating, or finishing a dish. Angkan brings out rich umami without overpowering the food you love. It can make a simple meal taste fuller. It can give special dishes more character. And it can help every cook bring out better taste with every serving. Proudly made in the Philippines, Angkan was created with a standard ready for kitchens, shelves, and markets around the world. This is Angkan Fish Sauce 45N. Pure, first press, premium strength. Redefining the standard of flavor.
Good. So introducing Angkan Fish Sauce 45N. Yan. Later, matitikman niya siya. We're excited how we will feel about it. So, yeah. I know it was shown already sa video, pero let me iterate it lang ulit. No? Yung Angkan Fish Sauce 45N relies on 4 clear strengths. First is that it has real ingredients. Ano lang siya? Anchovies, sardines, and salt. Just that, no water. So, linagay yung salt sa anchovies and sardines. And then, second, it's fermented for 12 months. Kaya yung production niya very challenging, di ba? So, walang tayo yun. It has to be 12 months kasi yung fermentation na yun, it actually brings richer and fuller flavor. So, third strength is its first press. It's the first fluid from fermentation. It's highly concentrated. So pag natikman mo yung first press, iba talaga, malalim yung lasa, may depth yung flavor. That's where umami comes. And lastly, it's 45N. Have you heard about 45N? 45N hindi pa kasi it's, I think, it is the first in the Philippines. So 45N means it's a measure of protein. 45N, i-explain later na manufacturing namin in detail, but the 45N is a proof that is made from real fish. real anchovies, real sardines. So, all these things, for consumers, our message is simple. For consumers, simple. Better food. No complications in cooking. Just add angkan, fish sauce, better food kagad. So, what we will do moving forward in marketing is to communicate everything that we've talked about here in social media. Our claims, 45N, pure, first press, that will be the communication strategy that we will be doing in the coming months and years for Angkan. For us, Angkan has a clear promise, very clear for us in 3 phrases. No? Una yung kanyang, it has real ingredients or pure, diba? It has real ingredients. It has stronger umami, hence better food, diba? These two will lead to better food. Yun lang, that's the promise of Angkan. And for us, as we next page, as we bring this product to more homes, more kitchens, into global markets, our goal is to show that Filipino made can also be premium. Filipino made can also be trusted, and it can stand beside the world's best. This is Filipino excellence at work. Ladies and gentlemen, Angkan Fish Sauce 45N. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Emilio, for sharing the marketing side for Angkan. And now, also, we have our products available outside. If you want to take home for your families and friends, be sure to visit the Angkan launch counter outside. It's open up until 7 p.m. I heard we already sold 2 boxes today. Congratulations. And check it out later, okay? So now, we will hear a lot more technicalities of the Angkan. So this is more of a science, chemistry. And with that, I would like to call in Sir Poy Lagman, the manufacturing head for Angkan, for his presentation.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. So I'm Poy. So industry called me Sir Poy. So I'm a chemical engineer by profession. So I'm a food tech. I'm a food scientist for almost 22 years. So actually my advocacy in this years that I'm working as a food tech or food scientist, I want to create products na natural. Actually dun kami nagkaroon ng collaboration ni Patricia and Andoy. So it's about bringing Filipino ingredients and have it outside of our country. And now, we have here our fish sauce. So, it's a traditional fermentation process na ginawa namin para intact lang yung process. So, it's a traditional fermentation method. Hindi ako nag-incorporate ng anything. And then of course, binantayan namin yung good manufacturing practice. So, actually, if we are going outside of the country for export, of course, you have to be compliant with a good manufacturing practice. Next slide, please. So the natural process of fermentation using natural salt. So we're not using iodized salt or any salt alternatives. And then, of course, by this fermentation method, we will be preserving it using the salt only. So it will be fermented for 12 months and with no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and we hire third parties to test the protein content. Next slide, please. We clean and collect sardines for these processes. So, binantayan namin yung quality assurance and quality control. So, we have partners like food techs, and then we have several staff na nag-handle ng buong proseso. So, basically, we do a ratio technique to produce this kind of fish sauce, and then we do a filtration, we do fermentation and heating, and then filtration and packing. So eventually we did not put anything doon sa process. So to make it more clean. So, and that's how we use it pagdating sa international standard. And I wanted also to say na it is a natural fermentation method and it's qualified. Okay, and then now, next slide please. We do a physico-chemical testing. So, from the color, scent, or odor, kasi usually there's a lot of fish sauce in the market na of course, kina-qualify din natin and there's also a difference. And then ours is of course, matitikman nyo, maaamuyin nyo with the difference that we have in the market. And then of course, we have a specifications. So, pH, viscosity, specific gravity, and salinity. So, it is all measured accordingly in science. And we want to protect the natural way of doing this. And of course, third party. It's not biased. We did a lot of third party, 2 testing per test ginagawa namin. So, may content tayo. So, aside from other protein content, kanina sinabi, there's a lot of nakita kami. Vitamin A, 5%. Calcium, less than 2%, but there is. Vitamin C, less than 2%, and iron, 3%. And it's naturally occurring with our fish sauce. And of course, the most important, which is our banner. So mag-compute na tayo. It's 4.5. It meaning, so the nitrogen component, we use Kaldal method for this protein test. And then, the protein content is 4.5. Meaning, crude protein. Totoong may protina. The higher the protein content, the pure the concentration of the fish sauce. So clear ba yun? So kasi may mga makikita kayo sa market na may 50, anong ibig sabihin ng 20N? Anong ibig sabihin ng 40N? And now, we're introducing, you're the first in the Philippines with this 4.5 or 45N. Next slide. And of course, just a takeaway note. So, it's additive free. Pure. Now, you have to check the labels of others. Of course, to learn. But now, we have something special for you and for the Filipinos and for the whole world. And this is us. And now, fish sauce is an alternative for table salt. Instead of using salt or other artificial seasoning, so I think the best way is to have our fish sauce. And the seasonings that we have, that umami taste will bring that flavor. And mamaya abangan nyo. So magsisensor tayo. Try. So, yeah. So congratulations. So, thank you and enjoy the fish sauce later with our dishes. So thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you so much, Sir Moy, for sharing insights into the product and manufacturing process. As he mentioned, eto na, we're down to our food tasting. Do you want to experience